Nature is not just our home. It is the very heartbeat of our planet. From the whispering leaves to the roaring oceans, it breathes into everything around us. Yet, every single day, human activities push it closer to the edge of collapse. Deforestation, pollution, and climate change are wreaking havoc on fragile ecosystems. Forests are shrinking, oceans are suffocating, and countless species are vanishing at an alarming rate. The delicate balance of life is under threat. If we ignore it, the damage may become irreversible. But there is hope. By adopting sustainable practices, reducing waste, and conserving energy, we can reverse the damage. Every small step, like planting a tree or choosing renewable resources, creates a ripple effect. Protecting nature is not a choice, it's a responsibility. Let's unite to safeguard our planet, for ourselves, for future generations. The time to act is now.